This Ministry of Marmite public information broadcast is designed to help you, yes you, protect yourself from the Mondays. To avoid this totally terrifying, fully fictitious malady, the following symptoms should be identified as soon as possible. When every week starts the same, that sense of the over and over and over and over and over. The letter M is for monotony. Eyelids feel heavy and close involuntarily. O is for overtired. For even the happiest families, N is for negativity, when any conversation becomes a confrontation. D is for dilly-dallying. Light on, light off. Is anyone at home? You've got the Mondays. A is for agitated, when even plastic bricks and soft toys make you scowl. Open mouths and closed eyes. Two clear signs that you've become yawny. You will quickly become confused and prone to foolish mistakes. If you recognize any of these symptoms, a dose of Marmite at breakfast will ensure a speedy recovery. Now, doesn't that feel better?